Hey, it's Liz.
And Jubes. And I hate her.
You're annoying. Yo, this hair.
And we're just two pretty amazing people who want to share it with the world.
You're welcome.
Okay, so before we stopped, had a little break, we got a request from someone that I thought was pretty smart. And she thought was pretty stupid.
I didn't think she was stupid. I thought
no,
the
request.
Okay.
Anyway, but before I told Liz what it was, I told the girl that we were going to do it. And so we have to. Ha. Yeah. Okay, so the request was we're trying to make ourselves sneeze. And we're going to be using our cool little shakers. That one's salt and this one's pepper. No.
This one's pepper.
This
that
one's salt.
Wait, no, it's not pepper.
Anyway, because she thinks it's so stupid, she'll just be
it is.
She'll just be making fun of me while I try to make myself sneeze.
Pepper.
Okay, we're starting.
Okay, go for it, you retard. Sniffing. You should be sniffing crack. It's gonna help you better.
Is not enough?
Her dad just walked in. I'm trying to sniff pepper.
I'm trying to sneeze. I need to tickle my nose.
Do you need a feather?
No, find a leaf that's already dead.
Okay.
The tickles though.
Let it tickle. Let it be.
You broke my eye. I'm not coming any closer to sneezing though. What if I looked at a bright light?
How does that?
I don't know, because if you need to sneeze and you look at a bright light, it helps.
Stop sniffing crack.
Not the effect I wanted. Okay,
so there goes our attempt. Thanks for watching, guys.
Follow us on Instagram and Twitter and snap us
at LizzzAndJubzzz. Yeah.